4-point spray, back with another video. Today we got something a little different. Fucking see what we got back here for Christmas. For Christmas, I got my brother the lower valance, the lip, and then I got him the fog lights. The lower valance off the Z71 Tahoe. Put that bitch on. We got that. It's got air deflector duct or whatever the fuck they call it. Should make it look a little bit lower in the front.
I don't think it's my fit.
What do you mean?
How does this whole slide on if this is the bottom?
I don't know. Figure that shit out.
Got it right, bitch.
Fuck, if they don't fit, we'll return it and get some more parts. Should fit, what the fuck? No, that's probably for like this front end. Don't rip the back too back up because we need to fucking return it, dumbass.
No, it actually is for this truck. Just for like the shit I have on there right now.
Yeah. Well, fuck it. We'll just put this one on then. Put it back in that bag.
Oh. Oh, they had that dip, huh?
Yeah.
It's like for the bumpers I have on right now. This one from Martin's truck. Where'd you get this off of? A Z?
Z71.
You didn't ask him for that. Did they have the same one for Z71, the lip? Or you asked him?
No, they do. But alright, fuck it. Let's put this shit on. We're gonna start taking off the front. Yeah. Then after we're gonna wash them, bro, and then I'll try to do like a little video edit. The reason it's been taking me a while to make some videos is because Damien for Christmas brought me this GoPro. So y'all let me know how the footage is looking. My mom and dad bought me a laptop. That's why it's taking so long, because I'm still trying to figure out that laptop. I don't know how to fucking edit on that, because I usually do it on iMovie. And my brother bought me a 50-inch TV so I can watch the vlogs, para ver los vlogs, chavos. So we're gonna start by taking off the lower fucking valance, and then see if we break some hardware. We need some. We go to O'Reilly's right around the block. Then after that, we'll wash both the trucks. And then we'll go to HID.KITZ so they can install the harness. Oh, and then Marky might be coming through and Peter might be coming through, so we'll start fucking working on this while they get here. I'll update you on a little bit. We just got back from O'Reilly's. We got some microfiber towels and some shop towels. We'll be cleaning them up a little bit today. And Xavier also got this fucking tool to remove the fucking clips. Remove that. And we gotta fix this light right here. I don't know how we're gonna do it, but it's gonna be done today. Yeah, Marky's coming over. Like I said earlier, we're gonna put this a badge like that. You get them from Amazon for like what, 25 bucks a year?
Yeah, that bitch is steel. And
their billet or whatever.
Alright, pizza, that plastic.
Yeah, he just fucked that shit up.
Alright, pizza.
Yeah.
No, I didn't fuck it up, right?
I don't know, nigga.
No, it's solid.
You'll be alright.
I fucked it up.
Well,
Lip tie will work.
my bro got another wheel set up. He's running on 20s now since he's using this for work. He's fucking 22s. Too big. Fucking. He didn't want to fuck them up more than he had already, and then the tires were low. These tires are pretty low as well, but they're better than the other ones. So, to be honest, I like the way the polished wheels and the chrome wheels look on brown trucks. Black wheels look good, but 20s, I like the 20s, huh? Alright. And hopefully, I'm pretty sure y'all seen the last video. If not, we're gonna swap this truck out too. It's no longer gonna be a V6. It's gonna be a 4.8. It's gonna be the 4.8 that came out of my truck. So, yeah, the other 4.8. Cause all we did was separate the head. I guess the fucking studs were bad or some bullshit. I don't know. Yeah, we took it to Tito. Tito checked it out. He cleaned it up. All new gaskets. Freshened it up a little bit. But yeah, he's gonna get the 4.8, and then we got some more shit coming for this truck after the swap. Yeah, you got compa Marky. Me and this nigga just got this fucking bitch off.
Mostly me.
Mostly this nigga, yeah. It's his truck, so we're gonna put the fog lights in the Z71. They're on there. They're gonna go right now to Ace to go by the ports, and we'll put this bitch on. Should look pretty dope. Should look pretty dope. Got this bitch out. We try to save as much clips as we could. So, and hopefully we'll put it back on. Probably go to HID.KITZ. Or here in Houston, but we're in a little wire harness. Got the lower valance on. Took us a little bit. They went to Ace hardware store and bought 4 nuts, 4 washers. ¿Cuánto salió, güey? $2.50. $2.50. We got it on. We're about to put on this nigga's emblem. Chevy emblem. Go get that, John Damien. We're gonna, it's like this one. We're gonna put it on his. El logo de ahí. Ojalá ya llegue Peter. Voy a ir a bañar porque dice que apesta culo. Le booty.
La caca.
Le booty. And then,
Bitch.
y luego we'll go to HID.KITZ. A poner las fog lights cut. This is the OG bowtie. Yeah, this is a Billy one. So pinche madre 6,000. Okay, we're gonna tell Xavier how do we do it. First, go get that clip thing that the Xavier got right there. Take off these clips, take these off, take off the groove. Update you on a little bit. We got it in. See, she looks way better than the other one. Where's the other one at? Oh, you put it inside already? Okay. Yeah, it's easy process. See this right here? Put a Phillips in there. You turn to loosen it. And it unclips right here. You take this 10mm off. You take the same clip here. There's also the same clip right there on both sides. Let me see the other one. See? Right there, get the Phillips. Turn it counterclockwise to loosen it, clockwise to tighten it up. And then obviously you got the clips on the edge over here, which you have to take off the top headlight, hit the pin, pull it out. It's not hard. It's not old, new. That's pretty dope, huh? You like that shit or what?
Hell yeah.
Now we're just gonna put the last plastic right here. Put this plastic back on top. Call it a day. We just got here to HID.KITZ. The boys got the smoke, son. Marky, who drives the fuck at your truck, son? So what happens when we put a real nigga on the whole? Non's ever losing to a V6. Oh, this guy. The guy that took the L. The guy that took the L was talking shit. Watch out, didn't get the fuck up the road. No, I didn't honk 3 times. I barely honked twice, and then you were like fucking on the back door.
I heard honking. He was above us and we passed his ass up.
No, I didn't honk 3 times, huh?
And then the last one we did, no, we weren't even ready.
Low BS candies, son. What's up, man? What's up? What's up? Dejando más candies or what? Hell yeah, hell yeah. Su pinche madre. Yeah, go check them out. OBS candies. One clean OBS. Yeah.
Those OBS cameras. Oh.
That makes sense. Yes, the official HID.KITZ. Stamped and approved. You just gonna go check out what's in front, son.
Yeah, you don't want them to want. Especially on the way back.
Haha.
This will have it. Don't tell I got downshift ever.
Hey, you heard them pops though?
Yeah. I heard it. This will have me all like. Did you hear my boy whenever I was putting the dishes? Huh? Tell you, go 60?
Ya quedó. Little V6. But it's the first one of the year, they said already. Yeah. ¿Quién dijo que no? One tire fire, boys.
Coming on the clip, I'm sending shots out to one time. Yeah, the fucking laws that I'm crack the jackal. Coming through they hit and I'm a pistol tacker. Gotta pack the nine all the time on my waistline. Coming through your hood, it's on ready to bump the grind. Bump the grind, I'm whole deep in the dirt. Cause I'm coming through they like some bitches cause they rip the skirts. Stupid ass fucking hoes, them dumb boppers. Coming through, I'm about to pick up the chopper. That hoe tryna shop the kitchen. But you don't know she's still fucking down in the bitch. Stupid ass bitch, man, coming down. I got a clown on your block, one the locker to get the dice. Shake 'em well, or lose your life. 7 in the dough, off 4 hoes in the pimp, and then it's uh-oh, nigga, you lost like a trick. I'm lying about to get, and raise the hell up. I grab my dick, shake my tucks. Walking out the restroom with a gangster truck. I guess these boys can't see me where I hang. We do this every day on that fucking Herschel Wood, man. Ring down, 3 o'clock comes and it's...
Yeah, I never ask nothing from no nigga. I slide through the crib with some gold on my fist, nigga. We never tripped on you hoe niggas. I leave some shots on your block. If you thought you was hot, you a cold nigga. If niggas want pain, I go Martin with Tommy.